Hi everyone, welcome to Coding with Liz. If you're brand new to tech or data and you've heard the term SQL, but don't really know what it is, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to explain what SQL is, what it's used for, and what you need to know before getting started. So, what is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It's a language used to communicate with databases. Basically, SQL lets you ask questions like, show me all the users in this app, how many orders were made last month, and update this person's email address. So instead of clicking through spreadsheets, you write SQL commands to get exactly the data you want. Think of a database like a giant Excel file, and SQL is the way you talk to it. So what exactly is SQL used for? SQL is used everywhere. Any app or website that stores data probably uses a database, and that database is usually queried with SQL. Some examples are when you log into Instagram, buy something on Amazon, check your bank account. SQL is being used behind the scenes to fetch and update that data. Additionally, SQL is one of the most in-demand skills in tech. It is used by people like data analysts, software engineers, data scientists, project managers, business analysts, and even non-technical roles use SQL because data is everywhere. So what does SQL actually do? There are four main things that SQL lets you do. The first is select, which is getting data, insert, add new data, update, which changes data, and delete, which removes data. So most of SQL is just give me this, add this, change this, remove this. You don't need to be good at math and you don't need to be a programmer. SQL is actually one of the most readable and beginner-friendly languages. Before starting SQL, here are a few things that will help. You should understand what rows and columns are, that data lives in tables, and that's pretty much it. No coding background is required. At first, joins and queries might look confusing, but I promise once you see a few examples, it'll click. So what we'll cover in this course is in this series, we'll go step by step on how to write your first SQL query, how to filter data, how to use joins, how to use group by and functions, and more. All with real examples, no fluff, no overcomplicated explanations. If you're watching this, you're already ahead of most people. Learning SQL can literally open doors to internships, jobs, and tech careers. In the next video, we're writing our first real SQL query. Make sure to follow Coding with Liz, and I'll see you in the next lesson.